this is Sonia with Archival Solutions, and I have some little ATC cards that I want to show you that I made. Really easy, and most of the little graphics came from Pixel Scrapper or digitalscrapbooking.com, and I'll have a link in the description where you can get all sorts of PNG files, and you can just add them onto like a 8.5 by 11 paper, print them out, and then do whatever you need with them. And so that's what I did. I made some, I added them to a document and printed it out to where they were on the small size, and printed some out on cardstock as well as on vellum. And then I had some die cuts and stuff. So basically the background is just like coffee dot paper, old book pages, music paper, some die cut shapes, some stamped and die cut sentiments, and this is a little die cut. And these here, all three of these are those images that I had gotten from Pixel Scrapper, and some of them I printed out twice, one on cardstock and then the other one on vellum, just to kind of make it look more pronounced. And then I lifted them up on 3D tape. And then here's another one, and I just used it was like a cupcake topper, and I just cut it down to where it would fit onto this card, and then just added it on there. And then here's some stamped and stamp and die cut grass, and then here's some die cut grass, and then the little pumpkins. And like I said, some of it's lifted up. And then here's another one, and I lifted these up. I even fussy cut out those two. All these pumpkins are fussy cut out. But if you were to, I wish I'd have thought about it, but if, like I said, I got it from Pixel Scrapper, but with PNG files, if I would have saved that whole document that I put all the pumpkins and grass and different things on, if I would have saved it as a PNG file and uploaded it into Cricut Design Space, I could have print and cut using my Cricut, but I didn't. So I made it harder on myself. But yeah. And then I used some Graphic45 what do you call it, chipboard on here. Some little sentiments. And here's another one. It's just got like, it's the pumpkin. It's for the Facebook group We're Baking and Crafting Meets. Pumpkins, Pretty Pumpkins. It was for that swap. And you have to go over there and check out her channel. And I also have a link to her YouTube channel as well for Felicia from We're Baking and Crafting Meet. That's where this swap is from, and who I made these ATCs for, her and another partner. So let me go ahead and show you how I made them. this is pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for